What are you doing?
Just setting up.
Oh my god! Is that spinach?
Yeah?
Ew! Gross!
Well, what if I told you that you could easily make it fast, healthy, and taste good?
Then I'd say you're full of
Challenge accepted. All you need is 1 minute, a microwave, and 2 ingredients.
this? I gotta see. So stick around.
Welcome to this video where we'll show you how to make microwave spinach taste good and in no time.
Paint me skeptical.
Why don't you tell them what they'll need in order to make this?
Let's see. You'll need a microwave. Well, duh. A microwave safe bowl. That means no metals, dum-dum. A tablespoon measuring thingy. A handful of spinach. Well, duh again. And some plant-based butter. Why plant-based?
To keep it relatively healthy.
If you say so.
And stick around till the end to find out the bonus ingredient to add for extra flavor.
Why can't we just tell them now?
Because it's a surprise, and everybody loves a surprise.
Not if it's more spinach.
It's not. So, are you ready to get started?
I've got my in-flight barf bag handy, so as ready as I'll ever be.
All right. First, we'll grab a handful of washed spinach and place it into a microwave-safe bowl.
Should we also be wearing a safety helmet too?
Not necessarily. Then we'll put the microwave-safe bowl in the microwave for 1 minute.
Now I gotta stand next to Popeye here until that's done?
We can speed things up.
Thank God! Jeez, what happened to all that spinach?
It shrinks when you cook it.
Perhaps that should be the next diet craze. Hop in the microwave and lose half your body weight in minutes.
No, please, nobody try that.
Wow! Let me guess. Lawyers?
Uh-huh. Anyways, grab a tablespoonful of your favorite plant-based butter and drop it in. Not you. The steaming spinach.
Just trying to cut out the middleman.
There we go. Grab a spoon and mix it around. And there you go. Delicious spinach.
I'll be the judge of that.
Be my guest.
Holy that actually does taste good.
Told ya. And if you want to add a little extra flavor, you can add the bonus ingredient I mentioned earlier, which is anywhere from a 1/4 teaspoon to a full tablespoon's worth of iodized salt, depending on how salty you like it. Hey, save some for me.
Nuh-uh. Get your own.
Looks like I'm gonna have to whip up another batch.